guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abdjine. Welcome if you are new. Today I am coming to you guys with another meal prep video. Before we start the video, I just want to say a few things. This video will be my last meal prep for weight gain in a while because I have officially hit my goal weight, which is 160. So for the next few months, I will be focusing more on toning and cutting up for summer instead of actually bulking and trying to gain weight. So since I will be on a calorie deficit diet, all my meal preps will be more lower calorie and yeah, basically just lower calorie, which is really not good for weight gain. So I will try to maintain the gain I have obtained, of course. However, my main priority from now on will be to just cut down on the calories and consume slightly less than I burn on a daily basis. So if you still need weight gain tips, I will still make videos on that. I will still make videos on how I achieved my goal weight in just a few months and my tips and tricks. I'm always available to, you know, chat with. Like, you can always comment or email me or whatever, and I will still make videos on weight gaining, my weight gaining journey as well. However, it will not be I will not be doing a lot of meal prep because I have to eat those meals. So if I make meal preps for weight gain, somebody has to consume them and it will not be me, and I don't want to waste food. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also at the end of this video I will show you guys how I eat my meal prep, so it's not boring. Basically, I will show you what I do on a daily to kind of like make meal prepping and eating those meals more enjoyable than it would be without that little tip. So stay till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Okay, so I filmed this video months ago, so I will try to recall as much as I possibly can. So right now it's pretty basic. We are cleaning our chicken. As you already know, I don't like chicken breasts, so I always have to clean my chicken because I usually get the thighs, which has a lot more fat than the chicken breast, so I have to remove all those excess fat. And then yeah, we're gonna do our regular stuff, clean it up. If you need a detailed tutorial, then watch my previous video. Okay, so there's no rule for seasoning your chicken. It's mostly to your liking. So I use salt, pepper, a little bit of Epis, and some jerk chicken marinade sauce, and that's it. Keep it simple, keep it fast. Boom. Alright, so I got these like tiny little potatoes at the store. I think they're like the cutest thing ever. So we're just gonna roast them in the oven, and I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and then I'm adding some salt, pepper, and oregano on top, and then make sure that every piece in every potato is covered so it doesn't burn, and then pop it in the oven for like, I would say 15 to 20 minutes. So after letting my chicken marinate for a good 20 to 30 minutes, now I'm just gonna cook them. Make sure your pan is hot, because mine was not. It was not. Make sure it's hot enough so when you add it, it kind of sizzles a little bit. So yeah, don't make the same mistake I did. Okay, so now I'm adding a little bit of tomato paste and sriracha so I could make a sauce, because when you leave the chicken in the fridge for a few days, it tends to get dry. So I always add a little bit of sauce to my chicken so I could eat it with the potatoes as well. Okay, a lot of you might say, wow, this is not a lot of food if you're trying to gain weight. It's really not. This is more of the base I have because I sometimes eat it with plantain or rice, or because sometimes my mom cooks at home and then I just add things to it and then it does add up at the end. So this is more of like a base because I will eat that with rice. Well, I think I did eat it with rice and plantain and other side dishes. Okay, let's get started on the second meal. I hope I know what I'm making right now because I don't remember. But we're gonna saute some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Some peppers, some onions, of course. And make sure that it is completely soft. Like all the veggies are soft. Alright, and then I'll be adding some ground turkey to this. I'm using, I think it's 93.7% fat, or you could use 99% and 1% fat. It's up to you. I like a little bit of fatty in my food. And then we're just gonna let that cook thoroughly. No pink, nothing. Make sure it's cooked thoroughly because it will not taste good if it's not. Boom. Add your tomato sauce and make sure you season this to perfection because that's where the taste is coming from. I'm adding some paprika, some salt and pepper, and then some Goya chicken bouillon. Chicken bouillon. And then garlic powder, I believe. I'll insert everything in the description below because I honestly don't remember what I'm doing, or I'm just following along and talking at the same time. Okay, so once our sauce and the meat have incorporated in the pot, we're gonna add our veggie pasta. I use veggie pasta because I like that one a lot. So I did cook them before I started the video, so make sure you cook them. Don't just drop regular hard pasta in. voila, for the second meal I also just sauteed some and steamed some, what is this called again? Cauliflower. Yay. Okay, I did make some cauliflower on the side and then added my pasta to it. That's it. And yeah, this is it for the video. Okay, here's the tip. When you are meal prepping, I know it is very, very tiring and tedious to eat the same food over and over and over and over again for a whole week. So always add some, like a fresh component to your meal when you are eating it. Like I made chicken a few minutes ago, so I'm eating it with white rice. I'm too lazy to make brown rice. I didn't feel like it. Anyway, so I'm having it with white rice because my mom made white rice and it's already here. So yeah, so when I eat this, it will not taste the same as when I ate it yesterday because I had something else with it yesterday. I had fresh avocados with a boiled plantain. I know it kind of like, some people might think, okay, defeats the purpose of me making the meal prep and then me having to cook again. It doesn't have to be, oh, like you don't have to make, like, you know, turn on the stove and make something, and you know, you don't have to do that. You could just add some fresh tossed salad to this. You could add some avocados. There are some pre-made things you could buy at the store. Like I've been using this Asian style salad. It's basically chopped up cabbage with carrots from Target. I got from Target, and I've been putting that in my meals. Just a little something to spice it up a little bit because I know it's not the most exciting things to eat the same things over and over, but you gotta do it for the game, baby. You gotta do it for the game. Another thing is, make sure you make food that you like eating. I cannot stress this enough. When you have to eat the same thing, if you don't like it, you're not going to eat it. It doesn't matter how good it is for you. You are not going to eat it. Like, I hate chicken breasts. I do alternate between, you know, chicken thighs and chicken breasts sometimes. But when I do make the chicken breast, I dread every time I have to heat up the food to eat. I just dread I don't want to do it. I don't want to eat it because I think the chicken breast is super dry and it's not my favorite thing. So find a balance, you know, find a balance and make things that you like, things that are good for you, of course, but make things you like eating, things that excite you, you know, like when it's lunchtime or mealtime, you get excited, like, yes, I'm about to have chicken and potatoes, and you know, so always make things that you like consuming and you like eating because it will make the whole meal prep thing more interesting and more exciting. Woo! So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.